The 1974 deTomaso Pantera is an absolutely stunning, beautifully restored, and tastefully upgraded driving machine. It is just spectacular in every way. The paint done by a Pebble Beach trophy winning restorer, plating and trim beautiful. Look at those wheels, those are just spectacular. Willwood brakes hiding behind there. Absolutely wonderful. Michelin tires. And look how big they are. That's a tire. Stainless exhaust. And power by Ford, yeah. And it makes a lot of power too. Absolutely wonderful. All right, let's run it through the gears. Drives beautifully. It doesn't shake or rattle, or it's just nice, pleasant, enjoyable thing to operate. The interior of this Pantera is absolutely spectacular. It's all new leather. It's just a couple years old. It still smells like leather. It's just wonderful. And very expensive work. This whole interior was about $26,000 worth of work. And you can see it in details like this with the double stitched armrest, full handle, and, you know, double stitched dashboard. I mean, this is super high quality work, just wonderful. All those gauges are new, and they work too. They work properly. I just can't say enough good things about how beautiful the interior of this car is. Here's the engine bay, nice and clean, at 351 Cleveland with the trick flow, cylinder heads, Edelbrock manifold, and Holly carburetor that's been specially tuned. A wonderful, wonderful engine. Here we are in the Pantera, and we're going to start it and take it for a drive. Boy, does it sound great. Wow. It is good. We've got headlights working.